This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Hongqi E-HS7. It's not as big as the HS9, the Rolls-Royce EV. But I still want to know, how big is it? How much space do we have in here? Well, let's start with a Frunk. So here we actually have an okay size Frunk. Let's see, if I take out the cable now, and all the other stuff. There, can I fit a banana box? Whoa! You know, it almost fits. Yeah. But just almost, yeah. And in the back here, we have a kick sensor. Let me see, unlock the car. There'll be a light there. And then you're supposed to put your foot there. And then it's supposed to register you. But this is the random thing. There. During 1,000 kilometer challenge, I couldn't get it to work. I'm wondering, could it be because the car was plugged in? Ich weiß nicht, but at least now it works. And you can also close this. You're supposed to just keep your foot there. I don't think you're supposed to kick it or anything. Okay, it doesn't seem to work when you close it. Okay sized trunk, and this car is 5 meters long, so it has enough space here. This lid can be removed. We'll probably just remove it anyway, even though there's not much space under it. We have quite sturdy metal hooks here for securing cargo, one in each corner. We can lower the air suspension in the back here. And then we also have 12-volt outlet in the back, plus in the front. Nice! And the back seats, they can be reclined. Whoa, wow, I have plenty of legroom. This is amazing, but also very good seating height. Impressive. But, okay, here. You can go upright, like this. Okay, that was not that much different. And then you can recline a little bit. Let me see, there. So we get slightly more space if you go in the most upright position, but even the most upright position is nowhere near church bench. Still nice and comfy. You're gonna do it with the other side also. Okay, round one in the trunk. How many could it fit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'd say that's pretty good. Based on what I've seen here, it seems like they prioritize to give you very good leg room and insane good space for the second row, which means that when you fold it, we should get amazing space. Wow, look at this. This car has amazing leg room because I can stack banana boxes horizontally, and 3 of them like this. Holy macaroni, that's good. And then because we have glass roof, then we can also utilize the space all the way up there. Wow, this is gonna be good. Okay, as usual, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30, 31. Amazing. This Hongqi can match actually a Volvo EX90, which is a 7-seater that can fold the seats flat. I think maybe they don't utilize the space that well in the EX90. And then, okay, it's better than the Hongqi E-HS7, the 6-seater, but then the 6-seater couldn't fold the seats. But you see that it's right on top there. with the most spacious car out there. And this car is only 5 meters long, so they actually utilize the space really well. Amazing. Also, the range is quite good because it's 111 kilowatt hour battery, and now it's on Kampanje for 600k NOK. I dare to say that for that price range, all-wheel drive, 619 horsepower, that much space and that range, and actually 200 kilowatt flat charging curve until around 60%, it's unbeatable. Yeah, okay, there might be other problems with this car, mainly software, but they can fix that, right? You can't fix space in the banana box test with software. Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.